UNT Denton, 86 degrees, looks pretty out there. No cloud cover once again. 84 in Dallas. Those temperatures are starting to climb. It's going to be very similar to what it was like yesterday. I know I told you that yesterday, that it was going to be similar to the day before that. So this is the third day of very consistent temperatures. We do have a shift coming up though. Right now, again, a little bit warmer. Denton, it is already in the mid 80s. That heat index making it feel a little warmer outside. Your dew point making it feel a little more humid and also contributing to that heat index. Remember, when we get to the 65 to 75 degree range there in those dew points, how much moisture is in the atmosphere, it gets pretty muggy outside. Your heat index, another day where you have an excessive heat warning in effect till 8 o'clock tonight. They've continuously extended this day after day. I do not think we will see this Monday, and I'm going to show you why here in just about a minute. So a little bit of cloud cover in Oklahoma. Once again, Texas getting no love when it comes to any precipitation. You just heard, obviously, the detrimental effects that it can have just across the state for our economy. You do have a little bit of rain once again in El Paso. This is drying out pretty quickly like it did yesterday. West Texas not really getting any relief, and you can see the rest of the Lone Star State is dry, dry, dry. Amarillo waking up to a more comfortable 68 degrees today. Houston right there with us in the low to mid 80s at 83 degrees. Corpus is 82. San Angelo, 80. You know, it's really windy in West Texas, but they do have more of a dry heat, so I tend to find it a little more comfortable. I wanted to show you this. So this is a look at Monday. It's a future cast for our temperatures. What's going to happen is we have what's called a short wave. Basically, it's going to be a cool front affecting the middle level of the atmosphere in the northern plains. That is pushing cooler air down toward North Texas. I think it's kind of going to breach out a little bit once you get to Waco. You're not going to really see any difference after that any farther south, but you can expect a cool front on Monday, and that's going to drop us finally back down to the 90s so we can have a break from all of this excessive triple heat. And then on Tuesday, that trend continues. Tuesday morning, I think, is going to be really nice. We're finally going to be waking up to the 70s. And you can see the wind shift here as we move through those future wind speeds. It's going to be very windy today, up to 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And look at the, you can tell the wind is shifting as that front moves through. On Monday, your 10-day forecast, here's a look. So yes, dropping down 99 on Monday, 95 on Tuesday, stay in the 90s Wednesday, and then we warm right back up. Cleo?
All right, thanks, Stacia.